You guys, the cost of change is way more expensive than you realize when it comes to your business and investment strategy. I want to break down to you what I mean by that. There's so many people who are entrepreneurs and they are pivoting their business model, or they're trying to start a new company when they already have one going on. Or maybe you're investing and your thing is real estate and now you're getting into Bitcoin and now you're trying to learn how to stock trade and you're doing all these different things. Whether it's within your business, within your investment strategy, or what have you, a huge problem that I see with this is people don't understand the cost of change, in the sense of, okay, you're doing this one thing. Maybe you are private lending like me, and I want to decide I'm going to pivot and I'm going to buy properties as well, and I'm going to get aggressive with that. That's fine, but now it's taking my eyes off of the ball of what I'm doing in my private lending business, and now I'm focused on acquisition. I am actually losing momentum. I'm losing capacity in the thing that I'm already doing and I'm good at, to chase something else. And that is, maybe I'm operating at 85% effectiveness in my lending company, and then I go to pivot and now I'm operating at 60%. So what I have found and what I'm doing now is, if I'm not pivoting, whether it's within my business or another investment strategy, unless I believe there's a chance to 2x, 3x, or 4x my capacity, my earning potential by making such pivot. If I'm not going to do that, then it's not worth the pivot. Most of the time, people need to focus more on doing what they're already doing and doing more of it and doing it better. If you focus on that, your capacity and your earning potential can increase drastically. So it's not always starting the other business or starting the other lane within your company. Maybe you're starting a new department or you're adding a new product. There's a time and place to do those things, but more times than not, you're much better off going deeper and really getting good at what you're already doing, getting better at it, doing more of it, and really accelerating that way. So I want to challenge you to really consider, what is the cost of change within your business currently? What are you doing that you're pivoting and you're doing all these different things that's really affecting your bottom line and the success you can have? So if you don't think you're building enough momentum in your business, if you are trying to market and you're focused on Instagram, and now, oh, you see somebody else having a success on TikTok or YouTube, so now you're jumping to there, you are changing your model and not really getting good at any one thing. And by doing 100 things at a time, it's really allowing you, lowering your overall standard and impacting the success you can have. So I'm really talking to myself in this because it's something I'm constantly bombarded with. I have a history of buying a bunch of real estate. I've purchased up to 50 properties, currently own 30. And it's like, oh, do I keep buying properties? I've also invested in syndication. So I get a lot of deals where I can invest in large projects all over the country. Oh, I like this deal. Do I invest in that? And I've really decided and really been stuck to saying no if it does not fit what my main focus right now is, which is private lending. And the kind of properties I'm lending on is in Arizona, and I'm focused on single family and smaller multifamily assets. And I'm not leaving that moat until it's time to really pivot in a meaningful way. I'm going to stick at what I'm doing currently. I'm going to do more of it. I'm going to do better at it. And I'm going to stay in that lane for a long time. And then when I feel like I've tapped that out, that's when I might add something in my business. Maybe I'm lending in other areas. Maybe I'm doing things a little differently. Maybe I am investing in some properties more aggressively, or doing things like that. But I'm trying to be very disciplined and not pivoting and not changing my model every couple of months, because how do you really succeed if you're doing that? So I hope this message really resonates with somebody out there. It's something I'm constantly having to tell myself, is stay the course, keep doing what I'm already doing, get better at it, and do more of it. So I hope that encourages you guys. Go get it in whatever you're chasing, and I'll talk to you guys next time.